Alright, we made it to work on a Saturday. Whew. Dami nag-ride today kasi nga maganda yung weather. We're not even gonna hit 100 supposedly, pero that can change. Medyo overcast siya, medyo breezy. Pang ano siya, pang multistrada kinda day, hindi siya pang sports bike kinda day. Medyo mahangin siya, palaban siya sa freeway, pero okay lang, you know. We always enjoy this ride. We are getting close to the part where we're gonna be returning this bike very soon. Oh, dito tayo sa work. Mamayang hapon yan pag bago tayo umuwi. Itong maliit na puno na to, i-cover na tong mga motor. Kaya it should be good. Omark TV, dapat on the way na rin yon. Tuloy na lang natin to when we get out. I don't know kung anong gagawin tonight, kung magra-ride ba tayo or iniisip ko ipapawash na natin to kay Max Garage bago natin isole, of course, pero we'll see what happens later. Look at this, brother. What's up, hater?
Hello, jacked up.
Jason saying that you didn't get the memo of riding the R1 today. I said, no, you made the right decision. It's kind of breezy today.
Nice and chill. I went up the loop, went all the way around, Blue Diamond, stopped, got the donuts, came home. I felt like I shouldn't get off the freeway. I should just
Keep going, California.
Yeah, then we got put up here. The dream was over. Back to this.
Yep.
So,
This is the reality. This bike is stalled depending on the pants I wear. Okay, Georgino, gracias.
What happened to the 488? Is it leaking something?
He's leaking the coolant and he's got a turbo probably messed up. There's blowing some blue smoke and then the transmission through the clouds. Bamako, move 2 lanes over so you don't ride in that grinded street.
Clear?
More. So we're clear, yeah, we're good.
I just made it on time. Bye, Georgino.
I George. Manyaran.
You too, behave.
We always behave.
Please, bro.
Have a good one.
Have a good night.
Kaya. Ako dyan.
Galing! Umabot niya!
Init dyan, bro.
Okay lang. Okay, kuha tayo ng something.
Something.
Ano gusto mo namin, Mac?
Gatorade lang ako.
Gatorade. That sounds good too. Gatorade. Anong flavor?
Baka kunin mo.
Parang gusto ko ng orangey.
Sige, orange. Dalawa. 2 for 5.
2 for 5, sir. Ito yung binili ko, hindi ko na tuloy
Diba last
ano. Ito. Ay, neon ba yun? Alam ko regular lang eh. Gummy bear. Masarap yung gummy bear eh.
Haribo?
Hindi, ito ganito lang. Yan, lifesavers. Sarap yan. What's up, boss? 2 for 5. And we are back again sa same tambayan ng summer. Red Rock. Nakalabas yung multistrada ni Omark TV, oh. Ha? Oh, ha? Linis ah! Oo nga, nawash nga ito. Uy, monkey! Yun ang advantage na may top box, oh. Oh, ha? May shalag yan.
Ayun lang ah. Text lang. Wala na namang signal dun eh.
Oo nga pala, no? You're right. Okay, sige, kasi yan.
Okay. Okay. Police yun. Ranger.
Walang patawad yan, boys. Ranger.
U-turn na.
Nag-U-turn na? Damn. Cruising!
Oh shit.
Yun, balik na naman. Hi, Red Rock.
Red Rock all day.
All day, all summer long. Dati nung nung hindi pa nagbumotor,
Oh.
parang swerte na ako makapunta dito ng twice a year. Alam mo yun? Ngayon ang putya, once a week andito ako. Minsan twice pa.
Bike life.
Okay, we wait for Pogs. Okay dokie, let's go. Clear, clear. Totoong clear.
Clear folks. Clear folks.
Bye folks.
Alright, good night.
Good night.
Hi, Pogi.
Thanks for hanging out.
Let me know if you guys want to do something tomorrow.
For sure. We're gonna buy some Tova.
Must be nice.
That's been nice. Hey, you didn't say bye to the vlog.
Oh, are you vlogging? Alright, good night, folks. The next one.
Law enforcement. What is this?
Ranger.
Oh, it's a ranger.
Isha Ranger. Oh, go na agad.
Hell yeah. Sakto.
Yes. Yan, binagala naman ni Rav4. Magaling.
Nasurit yung Aprilia.
I know. Nalagyan ko siguro to mga almost 400 miles.
Let me know kung mag-ride ka bukas.
Oh, sige. Kung mag-ride ako, sigurado magmumulti na ako. Alright, alright.
Setting, Brad.
Ha?
Baka settings.
Baka naka-aggressive daw to sa power eh.
Bukas nga.
Okay, Doc.
Thank you.
Text mamaya.
Yes, sir.
Tagal nang hindi nagamit si Multi. Malambot na ang kanyang tires. Multi gaming today on a Sunday morning. Going to work. We have a mission. Samahan nyo kami. Happy Sunday morning, going to work. Not sure kung continuation to nung vlog natin kahapon. But yeah, we are back in the Multistrada. Sarap. Weird lang after ilang rides gamit natin yung Tuono. Feeling ko parang mas mababa na tong Multistrada i-ride kaysa dun sa Tuono. Kasi dun sa Tuono naka-tiptoe tayo palagi. Ito mas komportable pa akong ibaba yung pa ako. But anyway, we do have a secret mission today involving Omark TV and Pogi World. Pero that's gonna happen towards end of the day na, pagkatapos na ng work natin. Sana hindi ko mabate na hindi matuloy, pero we're anticipating na matutuloy. Sarap. Welcome back, Multi. It's a good ride to work, baby. Tayo'y maghanap buhay muna. Ayan, mamaya na tayo uli mag-ride after work. Balitaan namin kayo kung ano yung aming mission. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Alright, what are we doing here? Anong titignan natin? Gang is here. You got a Ducati now?
Oh, you bought it?
Show it to him, man.
Do we go far from here?
No, it's inside the
it's
storage,
inside?
George.
Oh shit.
Good thing I turned around, huh? I can smell it.
It should go in reverse.
Yeah, you could go in reverse, George.
Shut up, Mac. Shut up, Mac.
It's like 80 grand, no? Those defenders, George.
80,000.
It's like 110, 120.
No way.
Yeah, I know.
Holy shit, that shit's not gonna drop on our head.
My dentist has one. Good for him. Why not?
Man, imagine how many Ducatis is in this storage unit.
About to faint.
Dude, look at the trailers here, man. Damn, he has a big storage. Holy shit. Looks like a deal about to happen, not a deal that happened.
It's not done deal yet.
Not done deal yet. So we didn't show you the bike on this vlog. I don't even know if this vlog is gonna make it. Need gasoline.
A lot of money in this bitch here.
Yeah.
Fucking boats and RVs and Airstreamers and everything. You boys be good. I'm gonna head out.
Okay.
Bamako, drive safe tonight.
For sure. Thank you, Georgie.
Have a good night.
Have a good night.
Good night, George.
I have no more gas. I ain't waiting.
Don't have to push it far.
Taka na, same route na naman tayo. 15. Helmet sa Thailand eh.
Yeah.
Ganyan, puro ganyan. Helmet. Malaysia.
Ram Air.
Ang tawag?
Ram Air.
Ganyan din ba yung kay DJ DLS, yung CTZ?
Oh.
Ako yun, di ba? At least bago baterya din.
Yeah.
Ano pa ano? Yung cover niya ng ano ka? Yung swing arm cover niya, carbon.
Meron na. Baka ano rin yun. Baka Ducati upgrade din yun.
Ay, mukhang lahat ng Ducati performance na puta pwede niya ilagay niya.
Oo. Ito, mahal yun.
Ingat bro.
Okay, Doc. Balitaan kita. Update
Okay,
mo.
thank you.
Update mo na lang ako bukas. Kung ano mangyari doon. Okay, Doc. Ingat.
Ayos ko usap eh, so...
Mukha naman matino.
Okay.
Okay, Doc.
Group connection lost.
Yun! Just like that. We are back in our side of town. Tapos na yung tinignan natin na bike. Eto na naman. May bago na naman tayong i-add sa family. Pero I think with this new bike that's coming in for Omar TV, ano to, benta ang isang motor palit na itong nakita namin bago. Hopefully ma-close na yung deal bukas, everything goes well, and mauwi na nila. Kasi today was not doable para mauwi, pero nagkasundo na sa presyo. Kailangan nila magkapirmahan yan, tsaka magkaabutan ang bayad. And unfortunately wala tayo bukas. Hindi natin sila masasamahan kasi babiyahe ako ng California tonight. So good luck sa mga boys tomorrow, Omar TV, lalo na Pogi World. And I think bukas kasama na nila si Mr. Sarap. Iyakang-iyakan na nila yan. Madilim hindi pa nakabukas yung mga street lights namin. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Hopefully balitaan namin kayo kung ano yung nakuha. I'm probably gonna hold this video at least one more day para sure na nasa amin na, tsaka natin to ipopost. Mas tama ata yun. And we'll see you guys on the next video. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.